Ravichandran Ashwin has announced retirement from all format. This is a big, big, big news. I think this has now put the GABA test in the back seat. Jamie Ravichandran Ashwin, a legend, one of the biggest test player India has ever produced of that stature, midway through the series in Australia, announcing its retirement from all formats. Your first thoughts on this?
This wasn't the way it was supposed to end for him, right? Shocking that he has taken the decision midway through a test series, that too on the final day, at least publicly, of a very, very rain hit but very crucial test match. पता नहीं, we don't have details, but I'm willing to wonder out loud कि शायद उनको उनको मैसेज दिया गया कि भाई आप मेलबर्न और सिडनी में नहीं खेलेंगे। इसके बाद कनव और तौस भाई जानते हैं कि 7 महीने का गैप है। इंडिया की अगली श्रृंखला जो है वो इंग्लैंड में है 5 टेस्ट मैच में, और अश्विन तो लगातार 5 टेस्ट मैच से इंग्लैंड में उनको मौका नहीं मिला। So if that is the truth, the writing was on the wall. Very sad because I still thought he had a lot to offer. हाँ, उनका फॉर्म थोड़ा नीचे गिर चुका था, but I thought like all great cricketers, he would bounce back and he would actually push Anil Kumble's mark of 618 or 619, but it was not to be. But I'm very surprised that he has chosen this time to do it. Again, let's hear what he has to say and give him the benefit of the doubt. But it doesn't sit well with me कि सीरीज के बीच आपने फोकस अपने ऊपर कर लिया. I have a problem with that, but I'm sure Ashwin has his genuine reasons why.
Yeah, absolutely. Taus, your thoughts on Ravichandran Ashwin announcing retirement?
No, this was supposed to come up, but not by by the end of the series. By the end of the series, not in between. I mean, agree with Jamie bhai. But one aspect that he also ignored कि यार they ruled out of the fact that ये WTC क्वालिफाई नहीं कर रहे हैं. I mean, have they given up the hopes कि यार हम नहीं करेंगे, कि हम फाइट बैक करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे? अश्विन को समझ में आ गया कि हम फाइट बैक नहीं कर सकते, हम क्वालिफाई नहीं करेंगे. आई डोंट वांट टू गो इनटू परम्यूटेशंस एंड कॉम्बिनेशंस. मेरी जगह भी नहीं रहेगी अगर हम क्वालिफाई करें और इंग्लैंड जाए वहां पर, तो मेरी जगह भी नहीं रहेगी. तो आपने टीम का सिचुएशन शायद नहीं समझा, या आपको कहा गया या फैमिली कहा गया कि भाई आपको नहीं मिल रही अपॉर्चुनिटी तो चलिए. बिकॉज यू नेवर नो व्हेन situation arises where you need a legend, an experienced hand, somebody who's done wonders. Maybe maybe he's not been successful overseas, but you never know when that situation arises जहां पर आपको धूप रहेगी, जहां पर टर्न मिलेगा, या जहां पर बैटिंग की जरूरत पड़ेगी. अब सडनली इंडिया विल बी शॉर्ट ऑफ वन good player. Good player overseas and a decent batsman, somebody who could have contributed with the bat. अब यहाँ पर सोचने में आएगा सिर्फ वॉशिंगटन, सिर्फ ये जडेजा. यू कुड हैव गिवन एटलीस्ट ऑप्शन, एटलीस्ट ये सीरीज तक रुकते, टीम के बारे में सोचते कि यार कहाँ जरूरत पड़ जाएगी. आई एम सॉरी बट यू हैव चोजन yourself, or maybe again I go with Jamie bhai ki what would have been the circumstances, क्या सोच रहे होंगे दिमाग में. But then I feel you could have waited for the series to end. You never know when the need arises. Now you won't. I mean, now that you have announced, suddenly if there is a need for Ashwin, will he say, "I'm ready. I can play a couple of games"? That will be embarrassing.
No, but Taus, I personally feel he's one of the smartest cricketing brains that I have seen in my life. And if he announces retirement, it's pretty clear that the message, as Jamie said, has been given to him that we'll not be needing you. We have a Washington Sundar, and you said that India has given up on the WTC final. I believe that India, even if they reach WTC final, they have given up on the fact that we'll need Ashwin in the playing 11. So that
See,
is a very clear
Kanav,
sign.
नहीं वो तो मुझे see that I know. Obviously, you won't be playing Ashwin right now. But if the need arises, if the Rohit Sharma, I mean, it doesn't depend on Rohit Sharma. It depends on the situation. It depends on the availability of other players as well. Right? It's not just Rohit Sharma doesn't want Ashwin. I'm done with Washington Sundar. I'm done with this Ravindra Jadeja. I don't need you. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आपको क्या पता जरूरत पड़ जाए, मैं वो बोल रहा, आप एक शॉट हो जाओगे, फिर जरूरत पड़ी अश्विन नहीं रहे, खत्म.
Absolutely, I fully agree, and I think the last thing a player wants is to, hang his boots. वो एक लालच होता है कि if I can, I should play as long as my body allows me. Especially someone like Ravichandran Ashwin who loves this game, and I have had the fortune of reading the first half, or we can call of what his autobiography was, and the passion that he has had for the game since he was a kid. I think it's a very calculated decision. I do understand where you are coming from, that जरूरत पड़े तो आपको available होना चाहिए था, but I think अगर उन्होंने ये decision लिया तो बहुत factors सोच के लिया होगा, बहुत considerations होंगी, discussions होंगी रोहित के साथ, गंभीर के साथ, but then at the end of the day it's a very personal decision.